Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting tutorial for how to change the call screen on your iPhone running iOS 17. So, stick around till the end, and let's get started. The first thing you need to do is make sure you're running iOS 17 or a newer version. Once you're in the phone app, navigate to the Contact section. Now, choose the contact for which you want to customize the call screen. I'll go ahead and select a contact photo and poster. This will open up the contact card, and here's where the magic happens. You have two ways to customize the call screen. Swipe to create a brand new contact photo or poster, and tap on Create Now. You can set all the adjustment. And then Now back. Or tap on the Customize button for more options. Let's focus on customizing the poster for the call screen. Swipe to add filters or tap on the image icon to choose a photo from your gallery. Pick any photo you like, and you're on your way to a personalized call screen experience. Once you've set the photo, you can also customize the font and color of the contact's name. Just tap on the name, and a menu will pop up. Adjust the thickness, font, color, and more to your liking. Take your time with this step, and when you're ready, tap Done. Now, your call screen is all set up. When this specific contact calls you, your customized photo will be displayed. Remember, this feature is exclusive to iOS 17, so ensure you're on the latest version for it to work. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to personalize your call screen on iOS 17. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to App Tutor for more content.